So today we'll be doing conditional probability. This is very important, so you listen to the video very carefully. Let us start with some basic idea. Suppose we are given a box which contains 4 blue and 3 red balls. So here is the box. It contains 4 blue and 3 red balls. Now you are asked to find the probability of drawing one red ball. So let us define the event A, which is the drawing a red ball. So how many red balls are there? There are 3 red balls and the total number of balls in the box is 7. So the probability of A will be 3 by 7. Now suppose one more red ball is added to the box. So now we have the total number of balls as 4, red balls as 4 and total number of balls as 8. So let us define event B, adding a red ball. Then in this condition, what is the probability of A? In this condition means in this current situation that after adding the box contents is as shown. So what is the probability of selecting a red ball now? Now the probability of selecting a red ball is there are 4 red balls and total number is 8. So it's 4 by 8. So this probability of A is definitely not same as this, because this is the probability after addition of a red ball. So after the event B has happened, then you are finding the probability of A here. So this is not same as the earlier probability of A. So whenever you are the earlier probability of A, which was 3 by 7 in this case, and when you are adding means when you are when the B is event B is already happening, after happening of B the probability of A is 4 by 8. So this probability of A is called the conditional probability of A, given that the event B has already occurred, and this is denoted by probability of A given B. This straight line symbol is given. Okay, so whenever you see something of this kind, then you must know that the event B, the event which is right after the straight line symbol B, has happened first, and then you are drawing a red ball, or A is happening. So this probability is called the conditional probability of A given B. Now let us see the definition. The conditional probability of an event A is the probability that event A will occur given a prior knowledge that event B has already occurred. And this probability is written as probability of A given B, and it is denoted by defined by probability of A given B equal to probability of A intersection B by probability of B, and probability of B should not be equal to 0. This condition must be satisfied. Now let us see the example C. Here two boxes are given. Box 1 contains 3 blue and 2 red balls. Box 2 contains 2 blue and 4 red balls. Now let us define an event A, drawing a red ball. B1 is the event of choosing box 1 and B2 is the event of choosing box 2. Now suppose you are choosing box 1 and then drawing a red ball. So the probability of drawing a red ball, given that box 1 is selected, so this probability will be the conditional probability of A given B1 has happened because you are first choosing the box and then you are drawing. So this B1 should be right after the straight line symbol. So this probability will be, you have to look after here. How many red balls are there in box 1? 2. And how many total balls? 5. So the probability here is 2 by 5. Similarly, probability of A given B2. It means B2 has happened first. B2 means choosing box 2. So box 2 has been chosen and then you are drawing a red ball. So you are selecting box 2 and then you are picking a red ball from box 2. And this probability will be, there are 4 red balls in box 2 and total 6 balls. So it will be 4 by 6. So this is how conditional probability is obtained. And this is the basic concept of conditional probability.